Uh, Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see soundhound. So, guys, soundhound yesterday pounced strong, and there is something I was watching, and also earnings also is close on soundhound. So, guys, when I talked last week, the last time I talked about soundhound, I say we have already found at the bottom, and the only thing that we had by that time it was just to move upward on soundhound. So the last time I talked it was around $4.4, and I say when if you like right now on stock RSI, let me change this 1 to 3 here. So yeah, like this one now I think everything, yeah, like here right now you see this one was playing as perfect. It came almost 3 point something, almost here. It tested this support, and you see after when the this resistance, which is was around five, almost I can call between $5. It was not really like $4. It was a resistance. Previous months it was a resistance before went all the way to $11. Breakout went today or yesterday post market $5. Today is trading at $4, which is tested almost tested this resistance, which is around 5.6. And also remember earnings is coming on soundhound. So guys, let's see what the chat is telling us and what do we think soundhound can do. So when you remember last round on earnings, soundhound it didn't beat earnings, it didn't beat the revenue. But what's happened on stock that time? Stock he skyrocket. It was trading almost $7 when he missed earnings, and the revenue came around this support, which is around $4 here. And this way, guys, I was doing a lot of videos talking about the charts, what this charts telling us. It was outside, so even when you see even my charts here, which is right now is not, yeah, like here we have something which is already set out. This one, guys, for me, I can tell you, because stock pulled back today, which is pulled back negative 5% today after skyrocket more than 15% on Monday. That, guys, is look for, I like that one. And this earnings coming on this Thursday, which a day after tomorrow. You know, guys, why I like when stock before earnings is supposed stock moving, cooling down, like here right now, which is it jumped from $4.6 to up here, which is almost 5, which is was $1. It came back today, stay above the support, and it's always that like during the earnings it's going to be spiking. And I don't like to see like Raytheon, like Ojanata stock, Palantir taking off before earnings. That will be bearish, because we need to see all the other types of the candlesticks and indicators by now. So I didn't read a lot of news, guys, but I can read right now. So yes, soundhound post Q1 earnings what offering, so I will not read that one. Up to 145 year to date. Soundhound this year could be you are watching this like this one. I like read something like this one. So let's see what this guy say. Penny stock received a little to no attention because they are a risky investment due to the low liquidity and sustainability in the market speculation. The penny stock can experience wild price fluctuation that are often driven by hyper rather than the underlying fundamental. However, this is not the case. Soundhound, a pure play AI company with a draw artificial intelligence era. Soundhound has AI has piqued the interest of numerous investors. Soundhound improving fundamental and probably analyzing. So I don't want to read all of this one. So I want to go to I want to see the chats, and also I like to see when Jimmy Kramer says, like here Jimmy Kramer says, you are in the good hand with this very cool regional punk like general motto. And let's see what was that this guy, why is on now is there. Or CBC Marman lightning around. Jimmy Kramer said the soundhound AI has gotten money and is losing money. So the same thing, have money and the losing thing has been around forever and is not making any money. That is not good for me. Is that so? When Jimmy or this guy Kramer was taking was sound not bullish on the soundhound. Soundhound, I expect a report on 24 quarter financial result, which on Thursday I've already showed you that one. It's a little risk than the people will. So I like this one. It's a little. It's not a risk. It's a little risk like that. And Kramer said when he asked about one man holding. So guys, so let's chat and then I will go to play the video of Kramer. So one of number two of my indicator is indicating stock is extremely bullish. And let's see, we have a lot of types of indicators that I have only using to see resistance support. So like right now we are on we break this support which is around 5.5, and exactly we tested this resistance which is around 5.56. Another resistance which closer to around $7 or $6.99, $8. So we have a several and the support I've already talked here. If you cannot break that, you have $3 and as another support. And let me bring another my type of the indicator that I like to use it. So let's see what EMA says. EMA, man, we saw EMA. This is what I like to show you guys. We saw EMA here when stock trading less than $2. Stock came above that area and then it was skyrocketing. Recently, after this one reached the $10, we break EMA and then you see things was not good. We tested here and this was the resistance, and we are now above the EMA which is around 5. So you see EMA is around 4.6, which is the support and the resistance that I surely I like it. I like soundhound. You can use all of these types of indicators if you are buying calls and the options. And for me guys, if you want to play safe side right now, market is choppy this week. And also you see here right now Kenya above bullish, below bearish, and we find this sub candlestick which is came yesterday, which it take us above we need to watch this one tomorrow. Please guys, subscribe and like, and I'll go to show you more the candlesticks, and you see over here. And the only thing which is I can say is risk on this stock is this one, stock RSI. Always when stock is up there, it's always like maybe stock in future maybe it's going to retrace, because when you see stock, let's see somewhere stock was bearish here. When stock RSI went up with the RSI foreign, you see stock pushing from less than around $1 to $3. Went all the way reach here. This is where I want to explain for you now. This thing can stay above here while stock price moving up. So when you see this thing stay above here, the stock was trading around $4. You see over here, and then stock RSI you push slightly, and then you see stock jumped from all the way from here to $8. We came here. Stock, when stock came after earnings, it came down to around $5. This thing reached down here, oversold, and then we saw this one pushing stock all the way to $10. Recently, when I show you after crossing those things below $6, we saw this one stock stay some months on when stock still deep, but when stock started, when I told you guys this is going to room, and it's now the same thing. Maybe it's going to play to stay above here when stock goes up. So that's the only thing right now that we are going to watch. It will start pointing downside. We need to this thing to be bullish. Need to stay above around 80 and above, stochastic. But if it will fall like here, anytime when point down here, even you see everything is always stock will coming slightly down. But if it will stay above 80 something to 90 where is right now, current right now, that is bullish. So guys, let's go and see what Kremer say about soundhound. So I can Google like this, soundhound AI. Is it Kremer? So let me make sure if I'm spelling this correctly, because it's very important. And then Cohere Jimmy Kramer. Okay, guys, be patient. It's look like yeah, you see it. This is what he was talking about.
How do you spot a high-performing team? You could analyze how they tackle complex challenges, or admire how they meet every deadline. But the easiest way is to simply ask, do you use Smartsheet?
It is time! It's time for the live run commitments for Raffles. Another 10 minutes. Talks about by telephone. Everyone recording. You have a close them. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Let's start with Jay in Florida. Jay.
Big booyah, Jim. This is Jay from Amelia Island, Florida.
Excellent.
I'm considering buying One Main Financial.
Okay, One Main. That high yield tells me that it's a little bit riskier than people would like, but it's a personal owner. But you know what? I think the Fed is going to lower rates, so I think it's going to work for you. Let's go to Camden in Massachusetts. Camden.
What's up, Jen? How you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you. So I just had a question about with soundhound's recent partnerships and expansion into areas like automotive and smart speakers. Do you think its growth potential is strong enough?
It's got to make money. It's losing money. It's been around forever. It's not making money. That's no good for me. Let's go to Kevin in Missouri. Kevin.
Hey, Jim. I love your...
Yeah, you see that one. So guys, it was just a random question. So I don't think if we make any technicals about the soundhound, but let's wait and see what is going to happen on soundhound. Anything I forget about these charts over here. Let's see the volume. So volume is at the peak right now. You see it's more than it's more than there. And thank you so much, guys. Subscribe, like, and we can see more tomorrow. I'll go to chat more and update more video. Thank you so much and have a nice day.